Hello everyone, welcome to PB CBSE Maths. Today in this video, I am going to solve exercise 8.4, fourth main first and second question. In the fourth main first question, we need to find out the value of 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. Our options are A1, B9, C8 and D0. We need to choose the correct option. So let's write that problem. We have 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. We can factor out 9 from both terms. So let's do that. 9 into bracket. We are left with secant square A minus tan square A. We know that secant square A is equals to tan square A plus 1. It is the trigonometric identity. Then let's shift this tan square A to other side of the equal. Then we have secant square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. So here in this problem we can replace this secant square A minus tan square A by 1. So let's replace that. By replacing that, we have 9 into 1, which is equals to 9. So we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to this fourth main second question. In the second question, we have 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We need to find out the value of this problem. We need to opt which is the correct option among these options. So let's write that 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Let's keep this one as it is, plus that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, plus that secant theta we can write it as 1 by cos theta into bracket. Here let's write that 1 as it is, plus that cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta minus this cosec theta we can write it as 1 by sin theta. Here let's find out the LCM of 1 and cos theta, which is cos theta. So 1 cos thetas are here, cos theta 1s are here, also cos theta 1s are. Here let's find the LCM of 1 and sin theta, which is sin theta. So 1 sin thetas are sin theta 1s are and sin theta 1s are. 1 into cos theta we get cos theta plus sin theta into 1 we get sin theta plus 1 into 1 we get 1 whole divided by that LCM cos theta into bracket. Here we get 1 into sin theta, which is sin theta, plus cos theta into 1 gives us cos theta, minus 1 into 1 gives us 1 whole divided by that LCM sin theta. Now let's multiply these two terms. In the numerator we have cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and here we have sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Let's consider it as term A and this B1 as term B. Here also this term as A and this term as B. Now if we look at the numerator, it is in the form of a plus b into bracket a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So with the help of this algebraic identity, we can write this numerator part as cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Now this part is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. With the help of that algebraic identity, we can write it as cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta. Wait, let me write that down. Now, this numerator part, cos theta plus sin theta whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. With the help of that identity, we can write this numerator part as cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus the value of 1 square is 1 whole divided by cos theta sin theta. We know that cos square a plus sin square a is equals to 1. So we can write that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1 plus, let's write that 2 cos theta into sin theta as it is minus 1 whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Then here we can cancel this one and this one, that is 1 minus 1 gives us 0. Then we are left with 2 cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. In the numerator and denominator, we can cancel cos and cos. So let's do that. We can cancel this cos and this cos. At last we are left with 2. So answer for this question is 2. We can say that option C is the correct answer. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.